the storm to settle. As I look toward the sea, dust in your eyes like the water. As the tide, it consumes me.
I know you guys can't see me, which is okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's on Friday. We're doing a brand new vlog. We're in Quick Mart to buy water with my very long mess. It's fine.
My walls came down, that is underwater, you would let me drown. Watching as I suffocate. Darling, pull the trigger, honey, steal my crown. Choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart, I'm guilty. She said, worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness set you free. Worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness set you free. Safe from murder. Fill the forest with your kin. You would never save me if my walls came down. That is underwater, you would let me drown. Watching as I suffocate.
Hi guys, so we are back. I am back. So we're done with whatever we wanted. We wanted water when we were coming here, then this happened. What happened? That. So I have this and Oreo. Yeah. Before you take a lady to the supermarket, be careful. That's fine. I'm going to town, get my nails done, and thereafter we will be good. See you later, guys.
Darling, pull the trigger, honey, steal my crown. Choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart, I'm guilty. She said, worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness set you free. Worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness sets you free. Worship me.
illegal. Ilikuwa tu kushika simu, hajafanikisha hadi saa hii. Sasa hiyo gari sijafanya. Sijafanya hiyo gari. Bati inakaa best.
Hii ndo natumianga.
Hiyo hata nini? Hiyo ataweka. Sina wasiwasi na yeye. Hapa shughuli na mimi pia, acha nifike. Sawa. Kuulize. Na hiyo hapa.
Hi guys, I know we've not spoken, so I just got back home. Yeah, that is working. I just got back home. Have popcorns for my baby sister. I'm going to shower, get ready to go for the dinner. I love my nails. I tried red and I'm excited. When I was in town, I passed by Dubois because I was talking to a friend who owns a business, and I bought these 2 accessories. And if you'd like any, just DM me on my social media, Julie Gamain Official, and I love how they look.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 and without you there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
Hi guys. 7:51 ndo mrembo anafika kanisa. It is well. Okay, this place kumelimwa, but it is okay. So the Uber couldn't take me all the way. I'm sorry guys, you can't see me, but you'll see me well once we go there. I hope I'll be able to do an OTD. This vlog is the most amazing, hilarious, okay, mysterious video I've ever done. Yeah. Habari zenu? Mko salama? Asante. God, guys, it looks nice from outside. I am scared, literally, but see you guys. you so much for watching. See you in the next one.